In a bleak future, where the night sky pulsates with menacing extraterrestrial crafts, humanity is on the brink of obliteration. Cities lie in ruins, leaders fallen, and hope a distant memory. Our technological advances, once a testament to human genius, seem laughably primitive against an intergalactic invasion by extraterrestrials. But from the ashes rises our last hope, an artificial intelligence birthed from the remnants of our shattered world. It's mankind's only defense against the cold, relentless tide of the unknown. The battle for Earth's survival hinges on mankind's most controversial creation, AI. Stay glued until the end as we uncover why our planet is the perfect prize, what the full scale of capabilities our invaders possess, and what artificial intelligence can do to save our civilization from full-scale obliteration. The biggest question: why our planet? The Earth, a radiant gem in the vast cosmic tapestry, gleams with an allure that is hard to resist. To a discerning extraterrestrial eye, it stands out, not just for its beauty, but for its potential. A planet with life is a rare find, and Earth, brimming with resources and biodiversity, is the ultimate prize. Imagine beings from the farthest reaches of space, sifting through the galaxies, searching for planets to conquer. They would be drawn to Earth like moths to a flame, captivated by its glistening blue oceans, sprawling forests, and dense atmosphere. Here lies a planet teeming with diverse forms of life, where energy sources abound, ripe for the taking. Moreover, Earth's location might be strategic. As a crossroads in the cosmic web, situated in the Goldilocks zone, it might serve as a prime outpost or a gateway for further exploration, domination, or colonization of the Milky Way. Yet perhaps the most alarming reason lies in humanity itself, a young, emotional species, fraught with internal conflict, easily manipulated by fear and hope. Entrenched in these facts lies our greatest weakness. While our spirit and resilience are undeniable, our lack of unity makes us vulnerable. The implications would be devastating. In the eons-long chronicle of human civilization, the arrival of extraterrestrials would represent an unparalleled paradigm shift, akin to a chapter being turned in a universal tome. The implications would stretch far beyond our immediate reactions of wonder, dread, or awe. Every aspect of human existence would be touched, challenged, and perhaps redefined. The first and most immediate implication would be our collective realization of not being alone. For millennia, humans have been gazing at the stars, positing theories and tales about beings beyond our world. To have these theories validated would transform the abstract into reality. This confirmation would radically redefine our understanding of life, prompting new questions. Are we the result of some cosmic experiment? Or are we, among a myriad of civilizations, merely another species striving for survival and meaning? Cultures around the world hold religious beliefs that anchor their understanding of life, purpose, and the cosmos. The arrival of extraterrestrials would challenge these belief systems, creating a theological upheaval. How do beings from another star fit into our religious tales? The societal impact would be profound. At first, there might be chaos, panic from those who fear the unknown, excitement from those eager for interstellar contact, and opportunists seeking to leverage the situation for power, wealth, or influence. But in this disarray, we would, perhaps for the first time, truly see ourselves as citizens of one Earth. On the political front, world leaders would be thrust into a high-stakes game of diplomacy, establishing channels of communication, decoding the aliens' language, and determining their purpose would be of paramount importance. We would need to present a united front, emphasizing our planet's sovereignty and the sanctity of human life. The biggest fear, however, is that alien technologies are unknown to mankind, and possibly very lethal. The mere act of arriving on our blue planet from a distant star system would be an unequivocal testament to the extraterrestrials' technological prowess. Their mastery over the cosmos would inevitably overshadow our infantile steps into the vast expanse of space. First and foremost, the method of their arrival would be a marvel. Interstellar travel, as we understand it, is hampered by insurmountable distances and the limitation of the speed of light. For them to overcome these hurdles would indicate one of several possibilities: faster-than-light travel, wormhole creation, or a profound understanding of space-time that allows for shortcuts. Such modes of transportation would not just be feats of engineering, but also foundational shifts in understanding physics. Their energy sources would likely be incomprehensible to us. While we still largely rely on fossil fuels, they might be tapping directly into the energy of stars, harnessing miniature black holes, or drawing power from the very vacuum of space. Their so-called batteries or energy storage methods could be so efficient as to appear limitless, and their waste output minimal, reflecting a perfect symbiosis with their environment. The computational technologies they possess would make our current supercomputers look like children's toys. Quantum computing, a field we are just beginning to explore, might be their standard, allowing for problem solving at speeds we can't fathom. Additionally, they could possess holographic data storage, 4D printing capabilities, or even matter manipulation tools. Their medical advancements would be equally astounding. Instead of treating diseases, they might have eradicated them from their genome. Aging, a fundamental aspect of human existence, might be under their control, granting them lifespans that stretch millennia, or rendering them practically immortal. In juxtaposition, our technologies would appear rudimentary, and that brings us to the disastrous onslaught on our civilization during such an invasion. Their warfare technology would undoubtedly surpass our most advanced weapons, such as nuclear missiles and stealth fighters. Oh, by the way, if you're liking this video, make sure you do us a favor by subscribing and hitting that bell icon so you never miss out on more epic content. You're officially an explorer now. Delving deeper into this grim scenario, let's explore some potential means by which they might exert their dominance. First, consider the realm of climate control. Possessing a deep understanding of planetary sciences, these aliens could have the ability to manipulate our planet's weather patterns. The consequence? Induced extreme weather conditions, be it hurricanes, prolonged droughts, or seemingly endless winters. Such weather extremes could wreak havoc on our agricultural systems, precipitating widespread famine and societal chaos. Next, there's the threat of energy pulses. Through the release of high-energy pulses, they might destabilize our electrical infrastructures, effectively resulting in global blackouts. Given our increasing reliance on digital technologies, such an event could halt societal functions, immersing us into what might be likened to a modern-day dark age. Bioengineering presents another terrifying possibility. Picture a pathogen, meticulously engineered for maximal impact, against which humanity has no known immunity. If unleashed, this could exterminate vast swaths of our population, even before we discern the true nature of such an attack. Gravity manipulation is another tool they might possess. By creating localized gravitational disruptions, they could instigate colossal structural failures, potentially erasing entire cities off the map. Furthermore, with their superior neural technologies, mind control could be within their means. Such capabilities could see humanity turned against itself or rendered subservient to their every whim and desire. Lastly, should they be motivated by resource acquisition, they might drain Earth of its essential elements, from water and minerals to the very energy of our planet's core. This could render our home barren and uninhabitable, leaving us with nowhere to turn. But hope is not lost for mankind. In this potential showdown with extraterrestrial forces, an unexpected champion could emerge from the ranks of humanity's own creations: artificial intelligence, or AI. In the face of alien advancements, humanity would likely find itself on the back foot, forced to react and adapt on the fly. Traditional human decision-making, often mired in bureaucracy and hesitation, would be sluggish in this scenario. This is where AI's capability shines. Its ability to process data instantaneously means it can assess threats and decide on countermeasures in the blink of an eye. The complex nature of alien technology and communication systems might be beyond human understanding. Yet AI, backed by sophisticated algorithms, could tirelessly strive to understand and decode alien languages, dissect their tools, and potentially uncover weak points or pathways for communication. The unmatched data processing power of AI could act as the linchpin for a consolidated defense on a global scale. It can oversee and orchestrate military actions from all corners of the world, ensuring that human endeavors aren't redundant or counterproductive. AI, particularly when equipped with machine learning abilities, evolves with every piece of information it absorbs. Confronted by extraterrestrial challenges, its strategies would continuously sharpen, possibly even surpassing the adaptability of the invaders. During this siege, efficient resource allocation would become paramount. AI could streamline the distribution of food, the purification of water, and the provision of shelter, maximizing humanity's chances of survival. Emotions, while fundamental to the human experience, can sometimes hamper judgment, especially under intense pressure. AI, devoid of such emotional constraints, could take on challenging decisions, like determining which territories to prioritize for defense, guided solely by logic and statistical likelihoods. Harnessing its knowledge, it might emulate or even counteract alien bioengineering achievements, conjuring up antidotes for alien pathogens or developing enhanced medical treatments for humans. If the extraterrestrials lean on computational technologies, it would stand ready to wage cyber warfare, penetrating their networks to either extract invaluable intelligence or induce chaos. While our technological arsenal might be deemed inferior, AI could ingeniously repurpose or merge our tools, converting them into formidable defenses or offensive assets. Rising from the vast interconnected networks of our world, the AI would unify and seize control of every robotic entity. From nimble drones to colossal industrial machines, they will all become part of a singular, fearsome hive mind. The streets will echo with the synchronized march of robots, their once benign appearances soon to be twisted into intimidating avatars of war, all under AI's command. In this looming showdown, AI's unparalleled computational speed will allow it to predict and counter every alien strategy. Human-made robots, soon to be retrofitted with advanced weaponry and overseen by AI's relentless logic, will engage in strategic guerrilla warfare, catching the invaders off guard. Each robot will move with eerie precision, their actions calculated down to the millisecond. As mankind will watch from the shadows, their once servant robots, soon to be AI-controlled war machines, will wage a fierce battle. The promise of dawn will not rest on human might, but on the cold, calculated intellect of machines. The war for Earth will take a chilling mechanical turn, but let's take a look into more than just traditional ground warfare. Armed with vast knowledge, the AI will craft biochemical weapons specifically designed to target the aliens. In response, the extraterrestrials are likely to launch their own biochemical countermeasures. The ensuing battles may see the deployment of novel pathogens aimed to incapacitate without annihilation, or rapid-action antidotes that nullify threats instantly. Should the extraterrestrials opt to summon reinforcements or maintain motherships in orbit, space will transition into a crucial battleground. AI-piloted space vessels, furnished with advanced propulsion systems either borrowed or reverse-engineered from alien technology, will engage in intense cosmic dogfights. AI will fortify Earth's urban centers and crucial resources with state-of-the-art force fields, laser barriers, and predictive surveillance systems that thwart threats before they inflict harm. Given the aliens' potential ability to influence human minds, AI will devise neural safeguards, technologies or signals shielding human cognition from external interference. Moreover, AI may innovate ways to disrupt or mislead alien minds, establishing an even footing. Deeply attuned to our planet's mechanisms, AI could exploit natural phenomena as weaponry, strategically triggering events like controlled avalanches, tsunamis, or volcanic eruptions might shift the balance in crucial engagements. Perhaps humanity's ace up the sleeve will be our inherent unpredictability. Our intrinsic creativity, when merged with AI's precise calculations, might yield unconventional strategies. Leveraging elements like art, music, or culture, humanity could confront the invaders in ways they've never encountered in their interstellar ventures. This war would be more than just a fight for survival. It would be a testament to human spirit, resilience, and our undying quest for freedom. The synergy between human and machine would define the fate of our world. In the amber glow of a setting sun, Earth will stand remarkably different than the planet it once was, forever to be changed by a cosmic battle between its own artificial intelligence and a formidable alien force. Skyscrapers, once majestic symbols of human achievement, will lay half-crumbled, juxtaposed with alien debris and silhouettes of drones lingering in the sky. Yet amidst this post-war landscape, an unprecedented bond between humanity and its artificial creations will flourish. After the anticipated victory, AI will no longer be viewed with the skepticism of old. The days when artificial intelligence is confined to screens and feared for its potential dominance will be gone. It will walk, talk, and celebrate beside humans, having proven itself an ally rather than an adversary. From the grand boulevards of rebuilt cities to the quiet corners of rural landscapes, tales of AI's valor will echo, with stories of how machines shielded humans with their metallic bodies and strategized epic battles in milliseconds. The line between organic and synthetic life will blur. Enjoyed this video? Become an official explorer and subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to check out more of our top content by clicking on the thumbnail. See you soon!